Hey guys, hi, good evening. Let's wait for some time, then we'll start. Thank you.
Hey guys, hi. Very good evening to all the participants. I hope my voice is audible to you. Can you just give me some information quickly? Yes, no, are you able to hear me out properly? Can I get some confirmation, please? Chat received. Okay, present sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So, uh, all right. So, let's quickly see, guys, like what we have seen in the last session. In the last session, we have created a report, right? We have created a small report and we have also seen how to publish that report in Power BI service, correct? And also we have seen the interface of Power BI service and we have seen how to share and collaborate the work with other team members, correct? I have also shown you like how you can create a dashboard in Power BI Service. But if you have seen that session, guys, that desktop, that dashboard which we have developed in Power BI Service, it was not that looking good, right? So we'll try today. We'll try to create a dashboard in Power BI Desktop itself. Okay. So let me open my Power BI Desktop, and I will today try to create a dashboard here itself. Okay. Let me go to my previous one, that is visualizations. So let me hide this one. I believe the screen is also visible to all the participants, correct? Okay. Uh, all right. So like this, we have created a report last time, right? Today, I'm going to create a dashboard here. Okay. I'll be trying to create two dashboards. Okay. One will be with respect to the sales dashboard. Okay. And another will be, you can say, I would like to have a shipping related dashboard. Okay. Let's try to create these two set of dashboards. Okay. So, very first thing, to create a dashboard, I want to have a background here, right? I will need to have a background color. So, I'll go to this settings. Okay. I'll select this. I'll go to the format setting. I'll go to canvas background, and here I go to the browse image, and let me select if I have certain images here. Okay. Uh, Let me select this one. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the transparency 0 and it's it. Okay. Next, I want to have a heading here. Okay. Let me see if I can use the heading, this one heading. Copy this. Let me paste it here. Yeah, we have got the heading. Let me rename this heading because I don't want the same heading. I want it to be related to sales, correct? So let me give here heading as sales performance insight. Okay, a comprehensive dashboard. This heading I have already searched in ChatGPT to give a fancy heading. Okay, let me copy this. Let me take this side. All right. Next thing is I need some filters here. So I already have some filters here related to year. Let me copy the year one. Same to that, I will create some more filters here that I can save my time. Let me move it somewhere here. So this is related to year. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's add one more filter here. Copy this, paste it, and this has to showcase me about the region. Okay. So I'll go to this one, orders, and I'll remove this field. I'll take a region here. Okay. And I'm getting a region filter. This is my region filter. Okay, this is a region filter. Next, I need one more filter here related to product. We'll keep it here, somewhere here. Let me expand this. Inside this, I'll pass my product name. Okay, let me remove this. Let me keep product name. Okay, see this is dashboard with respect to sales only. So I'm keeping all the content here for which I can get details related to dashboard, related to sales only. Okay, let me align this once again properly. Okay, now I need some KPIs here. First of all, I need total sales. I also want total number of orders and total number of quantity here. Three KPIs I need. Okay, I have total orders here. Let me copy this total orders. Okay, total orders. I'll take it here. Let me do one thing. Let me change the color for this one. Okay, I'll change the color here. Increase the size of this one. Let me select this uh, size and style background instead of this. Let's keep orange. This orange is not this orange. Okay, you can reduce the transparency like this. Okay, 1 second. We'll go to more color. Do we have any other orange? Keep this one. Okay, so we have total number of orders. Now let's copy this, paste it one more time. This time I want total profit. So I'll total sales actually, total sales. So keep sales here. Let me change this sum of sales to total sales. So here I will right click here. You can see I'm getting an option called rename for the visual. And here I'll mention here as total sales. Okay, total sales. This is total sales. And then after that, let's keep quantity also. Let's keep here quantity also. We'll keep 4 filters here. Copy this, paste it. Let me rename this. Instead of total, say this. Let's keep quantity. Okay, and let's rename this as total quantity. Rename this as total quantity. Total quantity. Okay, total quantity. And one more thing we can keep here. That is uh, discount. You can keep here average discount also. Let's do one thing. Let's go to discount. Discount. Yes. Let's mention here instead of total discounts, I want average discount. So I'll go here and select average discount. Okay. Let me select here as uh, average discount. Okay. Let me increase this canvas also. So I'll go to build once again. And from, sorry, in this format, canvas setting, let me make it custom. And here I'll make it 1400. Let's make it 1400. So, okay. Done. So we have increased the canvas size. Okay, let me again align them properly so that it looks bit good. Okay, and fields are close to each other. Let's keep them like this. All right. So this is about the heading part. Now let's add some content here. Okay. So we have already created funnel chart, right? This funnel chart we have created, right? Let's do one thing. Let's take this funnel chart. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's paste it here. Okay, let's paste this funnel chart somewhere here. Okay, let's format this one. Select it, go to format. Format here, size and style. Let's do one thing. Let's keep this background invisible. Okay, Visual borders is black. Let's keep it white. Okay. Thickness 4. Let's keep this thickness. Let's keep it 2 only. Okay. Now you can see in this we have titles that is coming as sales by subcategory, and in colors you can see these are all the fields colors, right? We can make a default color also for all of them. You want to make all of them default color, you can do that. So all, let's keep default as some light color. Okay. Data labels is off. Let's keep it on, and let's make them inside center. Why this is not coming inside center? Data labels. Okay, let's see some more settings here why it is not showing. Category labels on. Uh, let them on, but let's make them white color. Okay, white and bold. So this data labels has to go inside center. We have selected. Let's keep off. Okay. Some issue with the desktop. Inside center and data value. I think to report. Okay, let me go one thing. Let me go here itself. Okay, it's showing proper here, right? Then why it is not coming here? It's like this middle space. That's proper. Okay. We'll do some same set of settings once again. Sorry for the inconvenience. I think so. Some network issue with that. Some technical issue. Visual border on, but with white color and background off. Okay. Shadow white and outside. Okay, let's keep inside. Uh, then bottom. After that, we have again it's showing same problem. Let me do one thing. Let me apply a filter here. Uh, I want subcategories. I'll apply top and condition here. I want to see only top 5. Okay, top 5 data fields we want to apply. So let's apply mm, by sales. By sales. Okay, by sales. Apply filter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are getting only 5 things, right? And now they are in center. That is fine. Let's hide this off. Let's go to the build section once again. Format actually. Let's do the same settings. Okay. Title data labels or white, category labels are black in color. Let's make them white and bold, increase the size. Okay. So this is your one of the visual that is a chart. Okay. Yeah. Next, I want to add some more visuals here. So I'll add sales by category here. So we already have this pie chart with us. Okay. Sales by category we have, and also I think so in donut chart we have sales by segment we don't have. We'll create one, no issues. We'll convert this profit to sales. Okay. Let's take sales by region. Copy this. Let's go back to visual our dashboard. Let's paste it here. Okay, we're already getting it in this format. Okay, again, select this one. This one. Then again for data labels, it's in blue. Let's make them white. Okay, so this is sales by region, right? Let me do one thing one more time. So go to the canvas background, canvas setting, and you'll increase the size to 800. Okay, now this is better. Okay. After that, again, I will go to my donut chart. I have some donut chart, right? Let me copy this one. I will be converting this back to sales only to get the sales by segment. So not a big task. Just have to change the parameter from here. That's it. Let's add it here. And inside uh, this particular visual, instead of profit, let's keep sales. Okay. And in the heading, profit by segment, change it to sales by segment. Sales by segment. Okay. And let me select this one paintbrush and make this change color. Again, detail label is coming in blue color. So we'll make it white. Okay. So we're getting sales by category, sales by region, sales by segment. Okay. Now we will try to see we have a line chart, right, which is showing month-wise sales, correct? We use the that line chart also. Where is that line chart? We created it, right? I think so. We created it, correct? Page report. Let's keep this one only. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's add it, select it, format. This one. Okay. Let's again go back to the labeling part of this one. So background is fine. Values, text labels is black. Uh, Values, let's make it white. Okay. And uh, y-axis, y-axis, I think so nothing is there, right? But detail labels, we have lines, correct? Need settings for lines. Let's see what all things were there here then. Okay, that's it, right? It's like this only. It's like this only. We'll do one thing. Hmm. We'll select this. We'll go to line settings. Lines. These are solid lines. These are blue color, right? Let's make them light color. And here, markers. We'll make it another light color. Okay, like this. Like this. Is my voice not audible? My voice not audible to you? Someone just give me thumbs up. If it is audible, thumbs down. If not audible. Okay. 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 One more thing. Let's add state-wise, state-related information also here. So we'll do one thing. We'll go to a bar chart. Okay. We'll add a bar chart here. And here, uh, let's keep x-axis with states and y-axis with cells. Okay. Let's select this. Let's go to the filter option. Okay. We have this filter option. Here I want filter on the states with basic top 10. I want to see only top 5 states with high sales. Okay, by visual, let's keep sales here. Apply filter, you get only 5 components. Okay, let's select this paintbrush. And let's change the heading title to state sales states. states, top states. Okay, top states. Yeah. So this is basically your sales dashboard. Okay. So how is it, guys? Is it good? Or I know like the colors and all, it's not like good like how you were expecting, but I've tried my best to uh, give you a small idea about how you can create a dashboard. Okay, let me rename this sheet as pencil, pencil. Rename this as sales dashboard. Okay, how's it? Good? Yes, no. As I said, if you see here, if I select any specific thing, let's say if I select 2023, sorry, 2022, all these visuals are getting changed with respect to the state by sales. Okay. Similarly, if I select any specific region, let's say I select central region, you can see all the central region related sales are being displayed. Okay. Let me select all. And if you want to see specific sales with respect to certain products, okay, let's say I take any specific product, mm, a lot of products here. Acme, Acme, you can see the sales for the respective products, okay, and which category belong to, all the things will be resulted. Okay, for now, let me select all. Okay, so this is how you can filter the corresponding result. So this is your sales dashboard. Jessica Bellamo, you can go with the normal screen size setting only. Okay. If you feel like there are more that you can add, you can increase the size from the canvas settings. Okay. From here, you can see here we have a normal option 16:9 according to our screen resolution. But if you feel like you can add more, then you can go with the increasing the size from here. Okay. You can increase the size from here. I've just randomly increased it. Let's go to a new dashboard. Okay, we'll create one more dashboard related to shipping. Okay, we'll create another dashboard related to shipping. Okay, let me do one thing. I will copy this content as it is. Okay, these three filters as it is. Sorry, okay, so I have to add it one by one. Let me remove this one. Okay, let me select one, this one, copy, and add it here. Okay. Okay, I forgot to add a background here. No, Jessica, because you're taking the printout, right? So it will not that effect. Okay, go with normal 16:9 just for showcase purpose I'm showing you. All right, let me go select this. Let me go to background settings, image. Let me select the same one, normal pick. This. Okay. After this, let's leave them on the right side. This on this side. This time we put this side. And this one like this. Let's keep a heading here also. Copy this, paste it here. Okay, so this is the dashboard which will be carrying information related to shipping information. Okay, this dashboard will be carrying information relating to shipping details. So let me make this heading as super store shipping analytics. Okay, unveiling uh, unveiling delivery insights. Okay, just for results I've taken it. Okay, how to choose the values of for the chart? Suppose a line chart in X and Y axis, which value should be taken in secondary axis also. See, Hanashi, whenever we are creating a line chart, it has to be a trend related to time. Okay, it is a measure over time. So in x-axis, you can go with date related field, and in y-axis, any particular field that whatever you like, whether it is a measure, any kind of dimension, you can take it. Okay, sales, it's like measure over the time. So sorry, you have to take a measure. Okay, you can take sales, profit, or anything. But in the x-axis, you can go with date related field. Data file SJ, it is the same file that we are working on. Okay, the data set, the same data set. I'm not changed any data set. Okay, so let's keep here uh, some other information. First of all, I'll keep here sales. Okay, total sales. Then I will keep here total quantity, and I think so. I have created one calculation field here, right? Days to ship. Okay, this is not there. Let's make create a new column here. Uh, days to ship. Okay, equal to date diff function. So first date is my order date, order date, comma ship date. Then the interval is nothing but date. Okay, date. Let me select it. Click on it. So you can getting days to ship. Let's go back to the visualization. I want to find mention here average days to ship a particular product. Okay, copy this. I'll copy this field. I'll paste it here. Okay, and here in the build section, sorry, in the data section, I'll take the days to ship. I'll mention here uh, days to ship inside this. Okay, you can see these are overall days, but I want average, average, average days to ship. Okay, let me rename this as average days to ship, average days to ship. Okay, so this is average days to ship any particular product. Okay, now if you select any specific category from here, product from here, these are the products. This is a product. This is the total sales value for it, how many quantities are there, and how many average days are required to ship. Okay, inventory is 5.75 means it's almost 6. Okay, now let's add some visual also here. I'll add a bar chart here. Okay, uh, stack bar chart. I'll add the stack column chart, or stack bar chart only. So here I'll mention states on the y-axis, states on the y-axis, and I will also give here shipping days, or index axis. I can pass here ship mode. 1 second. This ship mode to that success. Count of ship modes. So basically, if you see count of ship modes, obviously, days to ship, days to ship to that success, days to ship index success. So we can understand from here that if any product has to delivered in California, if it goes for first class, sum of days to ship is 671. It's showing 671. I can make it instead of sum of days. Let's make it count. Let's take 322. No, let's take average. Let's solve this. So in Montana, it takes 3 days to ship to first class, and it takes 5 days to ship to okay. Let's go to home in a second. Mm, let's find this one. Here we have sort axis, sort by descending. Okay, sort axis. Actually, there are three parameters, so that is the reason this asking is showing me like that. This okay, sort by descending. Sort legend, sort descending. Not coming like that. What I'm expecting. Sort descending by ship mode. Yes, if you see this particular new Honda. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll keep it ascending. Ascending. So this particular current state takes this many days. Average number of days. That is nothing but okay, enter format mode. Back report. This takes 7.5 days approximately. Then we have Colombia. This many days. Likewise, we have other states also. Okay. Likewise, with the information related to other states. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's select some format. Let's do this one. Okay. So this is average days to ship by state and ship mode. Let's select this title. Title. So what title can we give here? We can give here as state with shipping details like that, right? State with shipping details. Okay. So if you select any specific product, it will change accordingly. Okay. You can see for Texas, it takes 6 days to ship this particular product. For Florida, it takes 4 days, and for same for others. Okay. So like this, we can set the result from here. Okay. Now let's see another bar graph here. Let's get another bar graph here. Okay. Let's get another bar graph here. And here we'll see count of ship modes, count of ship mode by ship modes. Okay. So in x-axis, I'll pass my ship modes. So we have 4 ship modes: first class, second class, standard class, and uh, let's keep ship mode again in y-axis also to get the counts. Okay. So this is the count of ship modes by ship modes. Let me select it. So, count of ship mode by ship modes. Okay. Likewise, uh, it's looking good. SJ. Okay. And after that, I want to create some more fields here. Okay. Let's understand sales, total sales made by different ship modes. Okay. Uh, 1 second. Instead of that, what we can do, let me check 1 second, guys. Just give me a minute. Hmm. We have this bar chart, right? Donut chart. Let's take this donut chart and ship mode. Okay, just give me. Hmm, what is that we have created? Top states, ship modes. Let's take sale, ship modes and sales here. Once again, let's select it, and sales also here. So we're getting sales by different ship modes. Okay. sales by ship modes. Okay, just a minute. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, if we come back here, I'll go back to this. I'll create one more field here. Okay, let's say I have this dates to ship, right? If suppose if my days to ship is if you can see if I have an order date, right? If it takes them more than 2 days from the order date to give the order on time, on time. So it is quite important. As I think the column here first of all, shipping status. Shipping status is equal to okay if order of if function uh, ship mode if ship date is less than or equal to order date plus 2 called as on time. Okay, it is delivered in on time. Otherwise, on time. Otherwise, mark it as delayed. Okay, like this. Let me take it. If you see, if the order is getting placed within 2 days, it is saying on time. If it is taking more than 2 days, it is saying as delayed. Okay, let's make use of this also. We'll make use of this field also. How do we use it? We'll create a donut chart for this one also. Okay, we will be creating a specific donut chart for this also. Just give me a second. Okay. Basically, I want to denote on time and delayed donut chart. So for that, again, I will create. We'll do one thing. Let's scroll down this one somewhere here. First of all, let's go to this detail labels. Let's make this blue to white. Okay. Let's again create another donut chart. Okay. We'll create another donut chart here. And in that donut chart, and in that, I will take legends as shipping this one shipping status shipping status shipping status and values also to shipping status. Okay, so you can see from this one, let me select English retail labels again. Let's make it bigger. If you see here, we can understand that uh, in my overall products, this on-time delivery is for this many products and this many products are being delayed. Okay, so this is my final shipping related dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard is related to shipping. Clear? Shipping related dashboard. So this is sales dashboard and this is final my shipping dashboard. Let me rename this as shipping dashboard. Okay, Now, if you see any tiny filter, let's say if I want to see for 2024, uh, for region, let's say South, okay, uh, for any specific product, let's go down. Samsung Galaxy 4 mini. Okay, so you can see in Florida, this is sold to only Florida, and this is days to ship. The total sales was for Florida was 751,498. How many quantities been shipped? Average days to ship. Okay, average days to ship. What was the shipping status? It was delayed. Okay, like this we get it. Let's select all. Let's select all. Let's select all. Okay, this is how we are creating dashboards in Power BI desktop. Clear? So now tell me, guys. I think this is more interactive, right, as compared to the one that we have seen in over there in Power BI service. Yes or no? Yes or no? It's looking good, right? Correct. Am I clear to you? So basically, as I said, Power BI is generally used to develop the reports, but here you can align your visualizations in a way that it looks like a dashboard. Okay. So sometimes in YouTube or in internet also you'll find people have developed dashboard using Power BI. So it's nothing like they have created this through this way only. Okay. It's all about the alignment and all. Okay. Nothing more than else. All right. So I think so that's all. One more last topic I think so that I can cover here, that is about RLS. Okay. RLS. I write down here RLS. Anybody? Do you know about the full form of RLS? Anybody aware about the full form of RLS? RLS stands for row level security. Row level security. So what is the benefit of using RLS, guys? Can somebody tell me? What is the advantage of RLS? What is RLS first? What is RLS? Do not go with Google and all that. I just want from you to understand what do you uh, understand by the term RLS. RLS. What do you understand by the term RLS? Yes, permissions are given to specific rows. Okay, good job, Rashmi Pal. Okay, guys, let me explain you one thing. I'll do one thing. Let me save this. Okay, let me save this. Let me go to new sheet. All right. So first of all, understand that RLS stands for row level security. Okay. So what is RLS? Basically, RLS is a kind of a feature in Power BI that is going to restrict the data access for different users based on their roles. Okay, or a kind of filters which is applied for them. Okay. In simple terms, it means that the users will be able to see only the data that they are authorized to view. Okay, means they will be able to see only the data for which they are authorized to view. Okay, even if they all are working in the same report. Let's say, I'll give you a small example. Let's say, guys, you are working in any organization, right? You are from sales department, and there is a company. Okay, let me take one more. That, that will be great. Okay, let's say this is a company. Okay, this is a picture of a company. Okay, inside this company, there are different departments. Okay, inside this company, there are different departments. One department room is for, let's say, this is for HR. Okay, and there is another room which is carrying information related to finance. Finance. Okay, finance. There is another room related to Operations, sorry for my bad diagram. Let's say there is another operation department. There is another room, which is related to sales. Okay, sales. Okay, all of this. This is one organization, ABC company. Let's say this company name is ABC. ABC. Okay. In this company, there are four departments: HR department, finance department, operations department, sales department. Okay. Let's say these all are a room. Let's say these are all are a room inside a particular building. Okay, inside a particular floor. All of them have gates. All of them have gates. Okay. All of them have gates. Correct. Now, the person from the sales department, okay, the person from the sales department will not have the access of finance department. Okay, the person from the sales department will not have the access to finance department. Okay, whereas the person from sales department also will not have the access to operation department. Okay, he will not have the access to operation department. Whereas if you see this HR department, this will have access to all the departments. Okay, this will have access to all the departments. Okay, understood? Yes or no? With this simple example, I think you can understand, right? In this business organization, there are different set of permissions for each people working in different departments. Yes or no? Like the sales guy will have the access only to he will not have any access to finance or operation department, maybe because they are generally working in the fields. Okay. Whereas HR department, since they are the one who are sitting in the office and taking care of all the HR related operations, so they will be involving, they have the access to all the departments. Okay. I mean to say that in the it works same as RLS for RLS also. Like what happens, the users here, the users will be able to see only that data for which they are authorized to view. Okay, okay. In RLS, the users can see only the data for which they are authorized. Okay, for which they are authorized. Now, so there are two types of RLS. There are two types of RLS. Okay, what are those? First is static RLS, and we have dynamic RLS. Dynamic RLS. Okay, first let's talk about static RLS. What happens in static RLS? In static RLS, you are going to manually create separate roles and you will apply uh, fixed kind of filters for for each one. Okay, in static RLS, what you will do, you will manually manually you will create separate roles for the users. For users. Okay. Here you're going to manually create separate roles for the user based on the filters. Okay. So basically here you are telling Power BI to exactly like who can see what. Okay. You're telling Power BI exactly like who can see what. Okay. Let's say I'll take an example of focus our data set itself. Let's say if you have seen in my data set, uh, I have data with respect to two different countries. Okay, one is United States, and another data is with respect to Canada also. I think. Okay, because I've seen this. Okay, there are two countries information in my data set. One is Canada, and another is United States. Okay, so what I want to make sure that Canada people can have the access of only Canada details, and United States can have access of only United States. All right. What I said, I want to create such kind of permission where the Canada people can have access to only Canada details and US people can have access to only US content. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me go to let me close this one note. Okay. I'll go to my a new page. Okay. Here I'll quickly create a few visualizations so that we can understand things much better. Okay. Let's say I have this one where I have Uh, I'll not go with any more formatting here. Do not worry. I have category and I have sales. Okay, category and sales. One second. Uh, Category. I have category and I have sales. Why this is showing like this? Something wrong? Sales category on y-axis and sales on x-axis. You have done something wrong. Why I'm getting like this? Sum of sales. Okay, category. Right. So let's say this is category wise sales. Okay, this is one graph. I'll add one donut chart also here. Donut chart. This says region, region, and profit, region and profit. Okay, this says region and profit. And let's say I have one more subcategory wise. I'll keep here subcategory wise. Subcategory wise, there is a subcategory wise sales. Okay. So if you see here, we have three different visuals inside my this page. Correct. Now, what I want to do, I want to make sure that the US person can get only access of US content and the Canada persons can get the access of only Canada itself. Okay. So for that, what I have to do, I have to go to modeling. Inside modeling, I have this manage roles. Okay. Now you can see here, I need to create a role here. Okay. I have to manually create the role here. Let's say I'll go to this new option. I'll give the name here as, let's say, US or United States manager. Okay. Here, I have to select the tables. Then I'll go to the switch to DAX editor. And here, I have to provide country details. Okay. I have to provide the country details. For example, in my table, the name of my country field here is country, right? Something like the COUNTL type country or like country region. This is my name of the field. Orders country region is equal to, I have to give it as United States. Okay, United States. Close it. Okay, this is one filter applied. It. Okay, I'll add another one. Let's say I'll give here as Canada manager. Again, same way, I'll go to the orders table. Then I can either go to the switch filter or I can go back to this one also. Let me go to filter view. Okay, filter data. Here I can click on new and just type here as country region is equal to Canada. Automatically, DAX will be created for it. Okay, you can see the DAX. This is how the DAX has got created. Okay, let me click on save in the bottom. I think it's save already. Okay, it's save already. Let's close it. Okay, so what we have done as of now, we have applied the settings. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's also add a slicer here, a small slicer, which will just show me about the country region. Okay, you can see country region. Okay, and sales. Let's take this one more visual cards, and here we'll keep our total revenue. Right? Now, so this is overall, right? Now, how to test it? So again, we'll go to modeling, and here we have view as option. Okay. Now, if you see here, we are getting the two roles that we have created manually right now. That is Canada manager and United States manager. Okay. If I select United States manager and click on OK, you'll be able to see I'm getting the result with respect to only United States. Okay, I'm getting the result with respect to only United States. Let me click on stop viewing. And if I go to again view as, and if I select Canada manager and click on OK, I am getting the result only for Canada. Okay, you can see the changes. It's only for Canada. Okay, this is only for Canada. Clear? If you select United States, you get only for United States. This is United States. You can see the change in the revenue. Okay, maybe you cannot see the much difference here, but revenue can change. Okay. One second. Format labels. Okay. Inside center. Position inside center. Make this more bigger so that you can have it. Okay. Bold. Now you can see the change. So once again, I'll show you. Let me stop viewing. Let me go to US and let me select Canada manager. Let me click on OK. You can see the changes here. Okay. If you go to US and select United States manager, you can see the changes. This is the United States view. Okay. Now same thing. We have to assign roles. We have to assign the people also, like who can access it. So just for demo purpose, I have to publish this work also. Okay. Okay. It will again take some time. Let me check. Let me go to publish home and publish it. Let me save it first. Save this first. Let me go to publish. It will take some time. Sorry, I forgot. I'll publish it in my projects. Yes. Just give me some second. Yes, this is for the same one. Okay. I'm just showing you the roles RLS. It will take some couple of seconds. I did one mistake here. Actually, I had to wait. Better I would have opened a new file and have shown you. Because again, it is taking some time now to get published. It will take some time to get published now. I hope you are able to follow me, right? Yes or no? Able to understand the static RLS? This gets published quickly, then I will show you. Meanwhile, let me open one more Power BI desktop. Okay, open one new Power BI desktop. Connected with my data set. It is orders. Okay. Yeshma attendance is automatically captured through Zoho platform itself. Not worry. Let me click on load. Let this get completed, guys. Okay. So if you see here, we have created this. Okay, it is published. Now let's go to the Power BI service. Okay, here we have to uh, assign the people, correct? I think so my trial version is going to get over. Okay. So once you publish it, you can see this is your dashboard, right? Let's go to your project workspace. Inside this, you have your semantic model, right? You have a semantic data model, right? So to go to the settings option for this, okay, sorry, security options. In security options, here you can see the roles that you have created. We have created two roles, right? Canada manager and United States manager. Now we can specify the group of emails, the people emails whom they can see. Let's say I give my email itself. Okay, they have to be from the same domain. Okay, like this, you can add multiple emails here. Click on add, and from here also save. And from here also, let's say I add another email. Okay, click on add. Now you can see I have assigned some people here in the Power BI service. Okay, assigning people will be happening only in Power BI service, guys. Okay, roles will set in the Power BI desktop, but assigning will happen only in the Power BI service. Now, if you want to test it, guys, if you see these three dots here, we have option called test as a role. If I click on United States Manager test as a role, you can see uh, it will be showing me the view of only the United States dashboard. You can see now you're viewing as a United States manager. Okay, now you're viewing as a United States manager. Similarly, if you click Canada manager and click on test as a role, you get only the view of Canada manager. Okay, Canada manager. So this is how you assign the roles with the people also. Okay, this is one thing. That is about static RLS. Clear? Samajit Chakravarti, please wait. We're coming on that also. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Come on, guys. Static RLS. Here. Can I get some reply? I need some reply. I need some reply, guys. What are the steps? In Guys, now am I audible? Yes, no, please quickly. Am I audible to you? Okay. Okay, guys, thanks. So I was saying that we have second type that is called dynamic RLS, where we are going to create only one role using certain mapping table to decide like what each person can see. Okay. So we are going to create a manual in static RLS, we are going to manually create separate roles for each user, right? But here we are going to create uh, only one role using the mapping table. Okay. For example, if you see here in my orders data set, okay, I have these regions, right? I have these regions, correct? In regions, I have west region, south region, central region, and east region, right? So what I'm going to do, I have created a small dummy table. Okay, let me show you that dummy table, which is mapping with this particular orders table. Okay, if you see here, I have this small users table, correct? This small users table. Okay. So what I have decided, I have created four people as four managers for four different regions. Okay. So overall, in my main orders data set, I have these four regions, right? East region, west region, south region, and central region. Now, what I want, when these users logins to Power BI desktop or Power BI service, they will be access to only their respective region. Okay, means Mosha will see only East region, Hari Prabhu will see only West region, Shrikant will see only South region, Raymond will see only Central region. Like this, I'm going to do. Okay, clear? So let's come back to our Power BI desktop. Okay, so where is my Power BI desktop? Okay, let's load that table also. Let me go to file. Okay. Uh, Let me go to my visualization page. Here I have Excel workbook, right? I'll select downloads. This is users table. Let me click on open. Okay. So this is my sheet table. Okay. But if you see here, my first row is not the headers. So let me go to transform data. Okay. So inside this, I will make the first row as headers. Use first row as headers. So now I can see the first row as headers. Let me rename the sheet as users. Rename the table name as users. Okay. I'll go with home, like close and apply. Okay. Okay. Now the table has been loaded. Okay. Now if you see here, if I go to the table view, sorry, in the model view, already a relationship has been established between orders and users. Okay. Why? Because we have a common field between them, that is region. In orders also we have a region field, right? In orders also we have a region field. In users table also we have a region field. So what I am doing, I'm mapping this region with the orders region where these users names are nothing but the people who can see the access to their respective regions. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. Now how to do it? Again, I'll go to the report view. We'll go to my model view. Okay, I'll go to model view. I'll go to manage role. Okay, let me create a new role here as let's say I give the role as here as regional manager. Okay, regional manager. Okay, I'll select the users table. Now I'll go to the DAX expression. Here, guys, we have to use one popular DAX expression that is called user principal name function. Okay, first of all, I'll give the name of the field which is representing email addresses. So in my table, if you have seen, the name of my column is username, which has got all the emails. So I'll mention here as username is equal to, I'll call the function that is user principal name function. Okay. So what is the use of this user principal function? See guys, this is a DAX function in Power BI that is going to return you email address, okay, of a person who is currently logged in. Okay. So what it is? It returns the email address of a person who logs in into the Power BI service. Okay. So let me uh, confirm this. Okay. And click on save. Okay. So we have created the role here. Okay. We have created the role. Now let's come back to this picture. Let's create a small table kind of things. Okay. Let's say here we have country, country. Then we have region, region. Okay. Let me make this bolder. This. So, what is that called? Meta? Okay. So if you see here, we have two fields, column, country, region, and let's keep sales also here. Let's select this. Let's get the sales here also. Okay. Sales. And if you want to add some more fields, let's say segment. Mm, Category. Okay. So this is a small, okay, this is going to be very big. Let's keep only these tables so that you can understand. Okay. So let's test the role. We have already created the role for region. Let's go to the view as. Okay. Now here you can see I have the role that I have created. Okay. If you see in the static RLS, I have created multiple roles, right? Multiple roles and separate with separate filters for all of them. Correct. Here I've created a single row that is regional manager. Now I'll test it. Okay, so I'll click on other user and I'll click on regional user. Now I'll provide an email address here. Let's say one of the email address is Mosha. So Mosha should able to see only East region related data. Let me copy this. Okay, let me paste it here and let me click on OK. Now you can see Mosha is able to see only East region data. Yes, he is able to see only East region data for both the countries. Correct. Similarly, let us go back here and let's try with some other email ID. Let's say I try with Raymond. Okay, Raymond. Now we'll reply email here and okay, on okay. Raymond is able to see only central region data, right? Similarly, Hari Prabhu, copy this, view as okay, West region. Hari Prabhu is able to see only West region data, and similarly, Srikanth, he will be able to see only the East region data, I think so. Sorry, south, south. Okay. So what we have done here, we have created a single role here with a DAX function to set the role for all the users inside the different regions. Okay. Now, next time, what can happen? I can, if suppose if I'm working in an organization, if suppose this person leaves and some other people come as a regional manager, I can just change his email ID. So next time, that particular when he logs into Power BI service, he will be able to see only his view. Okay. Now, same thing like what we have done previously also. We just have to go. We have to save this file first. Let us click on save. Dummy. Let's say trial. Okay. Desktop VIP. Click on say trial RLS. Okay. So for publishing again, we'll go home and publish button. Then let's click on my project workspace. I want to publish. Select same. This time it should not take that much time as it was taking before. 1 second. You can see it has got published. Okay. Let's go to the PBX and here again you have to go to the projects. You have to go to the trial semantic version. Let me go to security. Now I can for regional managers I can just copy all the emails. Okay, let me do one thing. Let's see. Okay, let's okay. Hari Prabhu is not available on the Power service. Okay, this person is also not available. Okay, only the criteria is the people has to be present on the smart badge account. Sorry, this domain. Okay, they have to create an account on this. Then only it will be eligible. Let's say go with all this two only. Let's click on add. Okay, these two people are added. Click on save. Okay, now if you want to test them out, if I go to test as a role, so as a regional manager, this person can select the person, put his email address. Let's say in the Moshe email address, Moshe, because he was eligible, right? Maybe he has created account on somewhere before. Okay, click on apply. You can see Moshe is able to see only history. Okay, here. So that's all about dynamic RLS, where we are creating only one role. Okay, and in static RLS, we are creating multiple roles with different set of fields. Here, this is all about RLS. Clear? Clear to you? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. I want thumbs up. No, guys, please tell me. Static RLS, dynamic RLS, even though this has nothing to do with your project size, but just this is for your information, because sometimes this kind of questions is been asked in interviews. Okay. Now talking about your projects, guys. Sorry, before projects, I just want to tell you. So with that, we conclude our curriculum for Power BI service, Power BI desktop and Power BI service. So we have what all things we have seen in this days. In the last 10 days of training sessions, we have completed the introduction to data analytics, business intelligence, and we have seen, uh, we have taken a data set. We have seen the interface of Power BI desktop. Uh, we have gone through the Power Query editor to clean the data. Then we have performed different set of visualizations, correct? We have seen DAX functions, and along with that, we have also created dash reports in Power BI Desktop. We have seen how to publish the reports in Power BI Service, how to share and collaborate with the team members, and we have seen how to create dashboards in Power BI Service. Also, we have seen how to create dashboards in Power BI Desktop through different alignments, and we have seen RLS also. Okay, so with that, we can conclude the curriculum. Just give me one more minute. I have something for you. One last feedback form I wanted to circulate with you. Please fill this feedback form. This is the weekly feedback form, guys. Okay, what kind of issue you're getting, Varshita? Request all the participants to please fill this feedback form. Request all the participants to please fill this feedback form. Please fill this feedback form immediately and give me thumbs up once it is done. That IBM course are you talking about, guys? What is the exact issue you're getting? What is the exact issue you're getting? Please fill the feedback form. Please fill the feedback form, guys. Currently, I'm not able to log in. Okay, if it is kind of, please take that screenshot. Okay, I'll check with my team what is the issue. Just give me a minute. I'll take this query also. Uh, Okay. Guys, let us check. We'll come back to you. Okay. All of you, please fill the feedback form. Technology track, you can mention BTech science, engineering, whatever is that. Okay. Please fill the feedback form, guys. No Neha Sehgal, not required. Complete the feedback form, guys. Complete the feedback form. Fill the feedback form, guys. Once done, please let me know. So, want to inform you guys, tomorrow there is no session because from Monday we are going to start with the AMA sessions for your projects. Okay. So in that AMA session, first of all, the agenda would be to give you brief about the projects. Okay. After that, we'll talk about the different set of templates that you have to work on. Okay. Different set of project templates that you have to work on. All right. We will be discussing in Monday session. All right. Complete the feedback form and let us know. Give me thumbs up or mark me yes in the chat box. Feedback done like that. Yes, Magic. Next session is on Monday, 6. Okay, you can check your calendar also if you have the calendars. Please go and I think so in the calendars. I think so it's mentioned that 1 second, let me see. Second. Uh, close other windows. Let me share my screen, entire screen, share desktop, tablet for Power BI, and this is your calendar, right? If you see, we are now on this particular day, that is Friday. Next session is on Monday. Okay. Tomorrow there is a self test, so no session, but Monday we have a session. Okay. Monday we have a session. All right. Please complete the feedback form, guys. Please fill the feedback form. I hope you enjoyed the training sessions. It was not too much hectic for you. Okay. By the way, guys, you're going to colleges or how is it? You're having the holidays currently. How are you attending it? Are you having holidays or the colleges? Sure, Ansad Zalil. Okay, I just complete the course before this program submissions. Okay, Ansad Zalil. Let me share my screen. See, Anshul Zalil, basically in static role, we are creating separate roles for all the users manually one by one. Okay, if you have seen here, here I have only two countries, so I have created here, right? Let's imagine that I'm working on a world map and I have n number of countries. So in that case, I have to assign each role to all the countries, correct? Yes or no? If you see here, as of now, I have created only two roles here. Okay, just because I had only two countries. If suppose I have a data set of where of sales for all the countries in my across the globe, then in that situation, I have to create multiple roles, right? So what happens in static role? Uh, we are manually creating roles for every users, okay, and we're fixing the filter for them, okay. For example, in United States, I have set up a filter that the country region, if the user selects on United States manager, this filter will be applicable. Means he will be able to see only United States. If he selects Canada manager, he will be able to see only Canada information. All right. So this is your static RLS, where we are just looking into, we are setting manually creating roles for all the users. Okay, it's not only about the countries; it can be about the states. It can be related to any other criteria also. You can do that. I've just taken a broader example for countries. Okay. Next is if you see here inside this data set, uh, talking about dynamic RLS, if you see here, I have this region field, right? Region field, right? In this region, inside my entire data set, I have multiple records for all the regions, right? West region, I have this many records. Then if you see, I have East region, multiple records, South region, multiple records, Central region, multiple records. So what I'm doing, I'm creating one mapping table. This is, let's say this is a mapping table, which has got the name of the managers and which region do they belong to, which region they are actually taking care of. Okay, let's say this is a person Mosha is taking care of this region. This Hari Prabhu is taking care of West regions. Shrikant is taking care of South region. Revant is taking care of Central region. Okay, let's say this is a mapping table which says these people take care of this particular region. Okay, so what I did then in dynamic RLS, I'm making use of in dynamic analysis, I'm making use of user principal name functions. Okay, I'm making use of a simple function called user principal name function. So what this function is doing, this function is taking the email of the user who is trying to log in, and he's showing the view of the report for his region only. Okay, which region he's belonging to. Let's say this Mosha belongs to East region. So Mosha will be able to see only East region data. Okay. Hari Prabhu is belonging to West, so he'll see only West region data. Basically, these two concepts sounds very similar to each other, but there is a small difference. The difference is the roles. Okay. If you see here talking about the roles of where is this gone? Yeah. Here, if you see, if you go to modeling, here in static, we are creating multiple roles. Like if suppose we have more countries, we can create, and we have to create n number of roles. Okay. But in case of dynamic RLS, I'm just making use of the email function, that is user principal name function. So what this function is doing, this is checking the email ID of the person. So once the user logs in with his email ID and he has got the permission, he will be able to see his region data. Okay. That is your dynamic RLS. Yeah. Now, am I clear? The static RLS is useful when you have small data set, but when it comes to big data sets, then dynamic RLS is more helpful. Here, Lee answered Jalil. What I said, in static RLS, we are manually creating separate roles. Okay, but in dynamic RLS, we are creating only one role, and we are mapping a table with the details of the person to that specific main table. Okay. So in static RLS, you assign an email, whereas in dynamic also, you are assigning an email to a single role. Okay. Guys, any more queries you have? I think so. I mean, done for the day. If you have any queries, you can ask me. But please fill the feedback form, guys. Fill the feedback form. Fill the feedback form. Guys, if you do not have any queries, we can end the session. If you have any queries, I can stay. Just tell us. Tell me what should we do, because we did the agenda for the day, so that is the reason I'm asking you guys. We meet directly on Monday. If someone has queries, let me see. Shri Sai Dhanush, you do not have to do any course in AI Fest. Okay, no need to do any courses in the AI Fest. Only IBM skills build course has to be done. Am I clear?
Okay, please find this link, Varshita. Okay, guys, if you do not have any queries, let's end the session. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Good night. We'll see you on Monday. Okay. Bye, guys. Good night. Bye, bye. Bye, all. Varshita, we'll check it. Okay. We'll get back to you. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.